So in the first video, I show you how you can retrieve Facebook ads by keywords and by some options here. And then if I click on analytics that I show you, you see a page where you have some results about that post. So this is the post ID, and here you see the analytics. First of all, you see locate where these have more reaction. You see 7.7% in the United Kingdom and the rest in the United States. Language, you can see here, we have English, North American English, or Espanol. And the gender, you see also the gender, so you can focus also the user when you send out your promotion. Here is for male, I would go for male, for example. And relationship status, you see how many people. The most of them were married people, 40% of them. And here you see the work, kind of work these people are doing. You see golf professional. And then likes, you see how, what kind of likes, Metallica, I love golf, and so on. Groups, movies, okay, musics, books. You get all these. It's an amazing way to retrieve this information. You can do the same, okay, if you click on Ads Analytics here. Okay, you click here and you post, click again, you post here the ID of before, and if you have the post ID, so you can get any post which is an ad, and you click on analytics and you get exactly what I showed you before. As simple as that. So you retrieve all this information. You see all the trends, you see favorite athletes, favorite teams. So if you want to sell something about golf, you should go, for example, for Alabama football. If you want, okay. So here, favorite teams, Boston Red Sox. Okay, so go with that team. Which athletes? Tiger Woods, for example, or Jordan Spieth. Okay, politicals, go to conservative people. Here, television, what kind of TV programs these people are watching, which books they're reading, music, so you can get inspired on all this stuff, which movies, which groups, here you see. And so you can target your audience when you send out your post or your advertising.